Hey y'all, my name is Michaela and welcome to Michaela DIY. On this channel, I make content documenting my DIY home improvement progress and sharing my experience as a new homeowner. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing to follow along with my journey. Today I am here at the house because it is time for me to clean up that big mess that I made from taking on the popcorn ceilings and mudding and painting because it is moving week, y'all, and I've got to get this place livable. Now, I did lay down plastic, however, I did not do that great of a job. So hopefully there's not too much going on underneath, but we're gonna just have to see. I'm also gonna hit up the kitchen and both bathrooms because obviously if I'm living here, I wanna feel comfortable using those areas. So yeah, those are gonna have to get cleaned too. Alright, so I went through and wrapped up all the plastic, swept up the remaining debris, and then vacuumed that up with a shop vac. So that did leave a little bit of dust. Okay, not a little bit, but a lot of bit of dust on the floor. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna work on the bathrooms and then come through and mop the floors. Since there was dust in the air, I'm gonna go ahead and let that settle overnight and then come back and mop again tomorrow. As for the kitchen, I'm gonna leave that as is just because it's dirty already, and it's actually like the next project that I plan on doing after finishing the walls. And since I do still have to finish the walls, I'm not actually bringing all of my furniture in the house just yet. Everything's gonna be housed in the garage for now, and then I'm gonna proceed to finish the walls and then start bringing stuff in. Also, it'll give me a chance to just analyze what will actually work in the space since it is a smaller space, and I kind of have like big furniture. So I want to see how that's going to work, or if it's going to work, or is it just something that I need to go ahead and sell or get rid of and get new stuff, but more on that later. Ultimately, the kitchen is next on my list. I'm really excited about doing that. I will share this in an entire video about my vision and how I want this kitchen to look.